What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a voiceover. So here you see me using my iColor 650 printing out a happy Halloween design that we will be heat pressing onto a sweatshirt. So first things first, you always want to preheat your bottom platen. It makes the marrying process easier. Most people say 5 minutes, but as soon as I turn on my Hotronix, I go ahead and put the top platen down. So I actually left it there for about like 15 minutes, which is probably a little excessive, but it works out for me. And here you see I'm using a towel just to give it a quick rub down to take some of the heat off. But because I have very sensitive fingertips, which is why you see me wear two silicone black little like finger condoms, I would call them. And so this is my first peel. As you can see that there is a little bit of corners missing, just very minimal, but it is not to my standards. So here we are trying it again. I mean, hey, practice makes perfect, and I know a lot of us stress out and just want to throw our printers out because of this marrying process. It's a pain in the ass, I get it, but like I said, practice makes perfect. You gotta fuck some shit up to get it down, and no amount of YouTube videos or tutorials from like people from the groups or forums is gonna help until you go and get in there and fuck this shit up yourself. Just to give you an idea, I sped this clip up to about 30 seconds, but this peel back process actually took me 2 full minutes. The faster I pull, things lift off. That's not the way to go, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take my time, as everybody should when you're just starting out. And so here we are. You see some little glue residue on the edges, which is why you want to trim them off, or else they're going to transfer onto your garment and that shit don't come off. At least I haven't found a way to get it off. So if you do have any tips and tricks, please go ahead and drop them down below in the comments so we can help one another out. So as you can see, this process also takes me a while because I am a perfectionist. And so I like to measure things out, make sure everything is centered. I like to take the garment off the press and look at it. I do this a few times, and then I'll get ready to go ahead and do the first press. So my Hotronix setting is also at the recommended from the 2-step standard iColor paper at 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. After that, obviously you want to wait for your A sheet to cool down. Then you go ahead, hold the garment down and roll it back. And I actually sped this clip up as well. I like the rolling process. I find it therapeutic. It's like some weird satisfaction for me, maybe because we're like almost to the end. Now that you successfully rolled off the A sheet, go ahead and throw it back onto the heat press for another 15 to 20 seconds to give it that matte finish look. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of the glossy, shiny look because it kind of does make it look plasticky. I'm not a fan of that, like I said. So to each their own. So here you can see me rolling back the siliconized Kraft paper slowly. I'm just trying to take precautions because I don't want to fuck shit up. And so here is the final design. It looks pretty good. And now we go ahead and get it ready to fold and package this up so we can go ahead and get it ready for shipping. And also I went ahead and made my own thank you stickers to slap on the bags, which will be another video that I will be doing a branding series that you can do it yourself at home. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.